Hello students, today we're going to review for the 6 weeks. So first question, between which two value of x is the zero of g located? So they're giving you a graph right here, that's the graph of function g. Okay, so we're going to identify the zero, which is the x-intercept. So here I have one x-intercept, here I have another one. So I'm going to label them. They ask you between what two values. So we look at the numbers that are around the line right here. Okay, whenever the line crosses the x, I have right here is negative, oh you can see very well, huh? So here I have -2 and here is -1. So that's the first zero in between. The second zero is between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. You see that? That's the second zero. That's the first zero. So over here, we're going to take a look at the answer choices. I see first one, -2, -1. Okay, so that's the answer is D. Okay. Again, we're looking for whenever your graph crosses the x. And then what's the two number in between? Alright. Let's move on to the next problem. Hello again. Next problem. What is the set of zeros of the graph of the equation x squared equals -x plus 30? So here again the keyword is 0, so they're asking us to find the x-intercept. Okay, so we're going to grab this one and trace for the 0. But before that we need to fix the equation, because we're trying to graph them and we cannot graph like this. Okay, there's two equal sign and your graph is not going to show. So what we do is we're going to get rid of the equals. Okay, in other words, I'm going to make on the right side as nothing. So I'm going to move this one over to the other side of the equals. If I move, I must change the sign. So the -x become a plus x. The plus 30 becomes a minus 30. So my new equation will be x squared plus x minus 30. And then you can graph this one in the graph. Okay, you graph this and then you're going to trace, which is magnify 1. You trace for the 0. Okay, you trace for the 0 and you're going to get -6, 0. And also another point is 5, 0. And look at the answer choices right here. It's going to be B. Okay. So first, fix the equation. Second, graph magnify 1. That is whenever your equation is not fixed. Alright. Here's another type of problem that's similar to what we just did. And this time they're giving you if the zero of a quadratic function are -4 and 5/2. What quadratic function could be used to represent the problem? So the way that we're going to do is we're going to translate, change this one, 5/2 equals 2.5. And then I'm just going to rewrite them in the zero form, which is -4, 0 and 2.5, 0. So what we do next is, since we figured out which one have the 0, the same as this. So we're going to grab each of the equation and then we trace. So this, we grab each equation and then we trace magnify 1 again. Whichever equation give you the answer is going to be that one as your answer. So during the break I checked A and A was not the answer because it doesn't give me the same 0. So let's check B. This is the B equation right now. So I'm going to press magnify 1 after I graph them. And remember, it's always started at the y-intercept, but we must go up to the right. I keep pressing to the right and until I see the one that says 0. So here I have 2.5, 0. Let's compare. Oh, 2.5, 0, bingo. And we're going to go all the way to the left, and again we're going to check for the other 0. Okay, the other 0, all we want is 0. There you go. So I have -4, 0. Oh, so this equation have both the 0 the same as the given information. So B is your final answer. Okay, again I put each of the equation in magnify 1 and then compare the 0.